Hello everyone, Neelam welcomes you at the Rise of Hope. So student, today we are going to learn how to draft an advertisement for class 9 to 12th in English for requirement, for wanted, for situation vacant. Suppose there is any vacancy in any of the institution, is any college, in any form, in any organization, in any school, then the same organization will invite applications from the various candidates so that they can apply in that institute for the vacancies, for the posts related to their qualification. So for this, how to write, how to draft an advertisement. So student, be ready for learning how to draft an advertisement for what we have to give title for the requirement. If any candidate's requirement in any of the organization, wanted, if any tutor wanted, any professional wanted, or situation vacant, it means the situation is vacant for the applications for the candidate to fill in that organization or the firm. I hope up to here it is clear to you all. Now we will learn that what should be the value points that included in for drafting an advertisement for requirement, for situation vacant, or for wanted. So let us have a look on the value points first. Learners, first of all we have to start with the title. Which title we have to give to our advertisement? Suppose there is any vacancy in the institution and institution is giving to that advertisement for publishing in the classified advertisement of any of the newspaper. So here organizer is or advertiser is the institution which required any candidate. तो हम क्या करेंगे? We have to begin with the title in center. Leave same margin this side, same margin this side. At the top you have to write title. Title begin with required, wanted, or situation vacant. As your wish, you can see required, R capital, or wanted, any one out of these two. These three are required, W wanted, S capital, situation vacant, V capital. होपफुली क्लियर. आपको टाइटल स्टार्ट करना है, या तो आप रिक्वायर्ड दे सकते हैं, या आप वांटेड दे सकते हैं, या आप सिचुएशन वैकेंट दे सकते हैं. स्टार्ट विद कैपिटल लेटर, देन कम टू द एडवर्टीजमेंट. वैल्यू पॉइंट, सेकंड value point should be name of the company, which organization is giving vacancies. So write the name of the institution, firm, industry, organization, or school, college, whatever it is. Third one is post and number of vacancies. So describe the name of the post and how many vacancies are there in that institute. Number 4 is that the company or the firm is required the age of candidate and which gender, male or female, up to which age. Suppose fresh candidate, suppose experienced candidate, 40 years old, 35, 30, और नो बार ऑफ एज, या एज का कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, किसी भी एज का कैंडिडेट हो. नेक्स्ट वन इज द क्वालिफिकेशन रिलेटेड टू द पोस्ट, विच क्वालिफिकेशन द फॉर्म नीडेड. नेक्स्ट वन इज एक्सपीरियंस, अगर उनको एक्सपीरियंस कैंडिडेट चाहिए या फ्रेश कैंडिडेट चाहिए, और एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए तो how many years of experience candidate should have. Then other details like any other achievement in any of the field like sports or charity related like blood donation or this kind of that things. Then pay scale, what the pay scale the candidate is expected or you can offer. Okay, it depend on the candidate and the organization. And then perks means the other benefits which the institution can provide to the candidate. Next one is mode of applying, how the candidate, if you any candidate want to apply in that organization, how he or she has to apply, online or offline, by hand, in which way. Then contact address and phone number. At last you have to give your contact number, that if the candidate is ready to apply in your institution, then where he has to contact. Okay, now let student understand with the example. This is one example of the advertisement. No need to take care of the grammar, just put comma and write next feature. Include all these value points. and 50 word is the limit for the advertisement. Let's start. We have to write title, situation, wanted, vacant or required. Then write applications are invited by write name of the company. Here the name of the company is Ready Business Services. R capital of Ready, B capital of business, S capital of services, because it is the name of firm which are inviting applications. Very good. For the post, now you have to tell the name of the post and number of vacancies. For the post, head HR. If vacancies have not been mentioned here, it means single vacancy, one vacancy. ऑफ विच पोस्ट, हेड HR. ह्यूमन रिसोर्सिस में हेड की जरूरत है. कहाँ पर? इन हैदराबाद. दिस इज नेम ऑफ कंपनी, दिस इज नेम ऑफ प्लेस, दिस इज नेम ऑफ द पोस्ट. वन वैकेंसी. एप्लीकेंट शुड बी अराउंड 35 ईयर. दिस इज एज. मेल. विच जेंडर? मेल. दे रिक्वायर्ड मेल. देन क्वालिफिकेशन. इफ the post is of head HR, then obviously they will ask for the qualification related to the designation or the post. Postgraduate means the master degree in HR, 5 years of experience. Here you have to cover this value point, experience. 5 years of experience, conversant with HR practices in industry. दिस इज अदर डिटेल. ये आपकी अदर डिटेल है. द कैंडिडेट शुड कन्वर्जेंट मीन्स ही शुड हैव अ गुड कॉन्वर्सेशन स्किल और कम्युनिकेशन स्किल विद द अदर HRs इन द इंडस्ट्रीज. तो वो डिपेंड करता है एक्सपीरियंस कितना है बंदे का और कैसी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स हैं. दिस वन इज द अदर डिटेल. देन फुल अप्लाई विद फुल पर्टिकुलर्स. फुल पर्टिकुलर्स मीन्स ऑल टेस्टिमोनियल्स और योर डॉक्यूमेंट्स. Emoluments expected. Emoluments means which salary you expected. So he or she candidate has to apply with the emoluments expected. कितनी सैलरी वो एक्सपेक्ट करता है इसके साथ अप्लाई करना है. टाइम यू हैव टू मेंशन विद इन 1 वीक. विद इन वीक अप्लाई करना है. ऑनलाइन. ऑनलाइन मोड अप्लाइंग ऑफ मोड ऑफ अप्लाइंग ऑनलाइन. अप्लाई करना है टू होम. टू चीफ HR मैनेजर. किसको अप्लाई करना है, किसको डायरेक्ट कॉन्टेक्ट करना है? टू द चीफ HR मैनेजर. रेडी बिजनेस सर्विसेज. यू हैव रिटन हियर, नो नीड टू राइट, अदरवाइज यू कैन राइट, इट्स योर चॉइस. नंबर 5 हैदराबाद 04. दिस इज पिन कोड. कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर इज this. So here you can write at here you can write email also, because you are asking for the online mode of applying or sending the resume, and that's why you have to give your email ID. So you can create any email ID like rbservices@gmail.com. So in the same way you can create a email account also, so that candidate can apply there. I hope student that you have understood very well this type of advertisement, how to draft or how to write in your exams. So give your thumbs up, understand properly, like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.